person chu mishing keima te nangma te khangkha inta masa kan zir chu adota chon place chu mi zo tong chuan hmun a then chu ram hlun na ten oma then chu arm venga te dor pui te or khang ho ka place an ta hmun ani ta school te po hmun ania biakin te po hmun ania damdoi in hospital te po hmun ania khang ho zong zong po khan naw na ni vek ta ni chuan pathum na le chu things to thil shim hming nei for example book le khabu te pen te chuanin ai po nge body spray chuanin damdoi medicine water bottle hang ho zong zong te po hi noun ve kan ni a chuanin things a khan apple te po oma fruits an nia khang po kha noun an nia vegetables su thai an tram te mayan te beloi te khang te po kha noun an ni pakhat lia chuan animals sai elephant te dog cat squirrel goat or a duck or a wolf whatever eng aran sa shim le ram sa shim poka they are nouns today voina kan zir tur takachu common noun le proper noun ni khang ho kha chu noun ve kan ni ta noun jinga khan chi ni voina kan zir don ta ni chu common noun proper noun nge common noun nia enge proper noun kan zir don ni for example
Miss patient sange
page changai lo ke ma min en top ro look at me all right no need to look at your book all right look at me no need to look at your textbook just look at me common noun le proper noun kan zir don we are going to learn common noun and proper noun now common noun chu in trom common van common tam deuh ti na pakhat ai tam mo for example if I say boy chu en ti na nge mi zo trong chuan mi pano pang ti na nya mi pano pang pakhat chon om nge tam deuh an om le tam deuh an om ro so boy is a common noun for example Ming he tại han to ma pui mani ma pui chu it's a name so nu ming so ma pui ni a khap so nu cha so ne pakhat cha khati khan ming om to chuan proper noun ke po miss kanya miss chu tam dewan om atro miss marwati te miss lb te miss mahmuni te miss makrisi te an oma miss ti ringot kha chuan tam dewan ya common noun ni ni ma se pakhat chau an soi to miss makrisi ti chuan pakhat chau om tro ke ma chau so miss makrisi ani chuan it becomes proper noun ani ta dei ni chu miss shim kha chun tam le tuk miss heleni te miss marini te miss mahmuni miss marwati miss lai miss lbe an tam le tuk miss ti ringot kha chuan common noun tam le tuk miss kha mo ma se khami miss ho jinga han pakhat chau miss mahmuni kan ti chuan miss mahmuni kha pakhat chau oma so miss mahmuni chu proper noun ani tuna dog dog chu mizo tungin ui ti na ni ui pakhat chawan om nge ui tam dewan om tam deu an om tro ui ma se so tlai a son ui oma chú mi uy chú mình chú Bruno Bruno nè số lại uy số mình chú Bruno Bruno is my dog Bruno chú cái uy nè Bruno is my dog Bruno chú common noun nghe niang proper noun leh mình khan ni ta ni tro chú vang chân Bruno chú proper noun Bruno is a dog kan ti chuan Bruno chu ui ani kan tia tang proper noun chu Bruno ania common noun chu dog Bruno is a dog understand she thia mem proper noun le common noun chu tu na ka zo tang cheu tu na kan zoi soi lai chin zong kha ol sam boka Samuel is my brother. Samuel is my brother. Samuel, a proper noun. Proper noun. Ming na nito, Juan. Proper noun. Ming na nito, Juan. Proper noun. Una, moite, parite, shim to proper noun. Ming to proper noun. Una, Mary is a girl.
Girl.
Proper noun ni common noun ng ile.
Proper noun.
Very good. Girl. Girl. Proper noun or common noun? Oh, girl. Mẹ channel bằng tí na nha mẹ channel bằng khá tu tắm ta kan om mà sẽ khá mẹ channel bằng gì ngà khá mẹ khát sao om so Mary chú proper noun na nha girl chú common noun alright again one more time ada khát để mình sẽ cần tổ kan tila Samuel is a boy
Proper noun. Proper noun.
Proper noun.
Where is a proper noun?
Proper common noun.
Boy is a common proper noun.
Proper noun.
Yeah. And boy. Boy. Common noun or proper noun?
Common noun. Proper noun.
Common noun. Good. Samuel chu pakhat chau om ta ni kha mi pano pang kha ming chu Samuel ani Samuel chu pakhat chau oma Samuel kha proper noun ani boy chu mi pano pang tam de boy so many boys so boy chu common noun all right now next Daniel is my friend chu anh tí năng nghe mi dâu trong in chian tí na nhá chian thếวันom i chian pa oma tầm thếวันoma so friend proper noun common noun common noun right friend to common noun and let's say David is my friend. David to kachian pa ni. David to proper noun niya, common noun.
Proper noun.
Proper noun, very good. Friend, David is my friend. Friend to proper noun niya, common noun.
Common noun.
Very good. Now again, one more thing, all right? Cat. Cat to zote. Zote pakhat chau nong nge zote tam de wan om o tam de ta zote ni tam de wan om cat cat to common noun ni proper noun.
Good morning.
Common noun.
Common noun. Very good.
Common noun.
But ngay clear mo. My cat. So cat name is Kitty. So that means to Kitty ani. Kitty to proper noun ni common noun.
Proper noun.
Proper noun. Kitty ani to 방전 Kitty to proper noun. Kitty is my cat. Cat proper noun ni common noun.
Common noun sir.
Common noun.
Common noun.
Again. All right. I'm going to ask you one more. Adang leo. Man. Man to pading. Man. No pang nilo. Anta mem only one or lots.
Lots.
Lots, right? Man dun tam lutuk. So man, is it proper noun or common noun?
Common noun.
Common noun. Good. And now if I say John is a very good man. John is a very good man. John, is it proper noun or common noun?
Proper noun.
John
Proper
is
noun.
proper noun. John to ming na niya, ming to proper noun na ni kanti ka. Ming na nito rin chuan proper noun. For example, Jason, proper noun.
Proper noun.
Diana, proper noun.
Proper noun.
Let's say Elizabeth, proper noun.
Proper
Mary,
noun.
proper noun. Sam, proper noun. Isaac, Ming, Shin, nito, John, they are proper noun. So, John, proper noun or common noun? Proper. And man, M-A-N, man, is a
Common noun.
because there are lots of men. Right? Now, place. Place. Then, cooking. Then, cooking. For example, Aizawl is a city. Aizawl is a city. Aizawl to proper noun na niya. City to common noun. Aizawl.
Nghe chỉ một cái chạc nhưng
Alright. They are proper noun. Right. Cousin. Cousin. For example, Rebecca is my cousin. Rebecca is my cousin. Cousin cousin. Cousin to tầm đều cái này chứ rồi. So cousin to common noun nha. Mà say Rebecca proper noun. Alright, a background akan beng sing daw dulo om China, beng sing daw dulo. Mingan ito to proper noun niya. For example, woman, man, dog, cat. Khang Ho Zong Song Ka, they are Joe. Okay.
那都不是体灵，
Andrew
因为咸水不是体灵。
Andrew is my teacher. Andrew tu zirtir tu ni teacher. Teacher tu mizo tu zirtir tu ya. Teacher proper noun nghe common noun.
Common noun.
Common noun. Teacher ka tam deu nom tu ro. Teacher ka tam deu nom tu common noun ya. Miss Ma Chrissy is my teacher. Kan ti chuan. Miss Ma Chrissy ka common noun nghe proper noun.
Proper noun. Proper noun.
Proper noun. Very good. Teacher ka kan zo de lo teacher. Common noun or proper noun?
Common noun.
Common noun. Very good. Now, again, one more, all right? That's what they don't do to get. Mimi was late for school. Let's say not Mimi. Lily. You mean not Lily's adventure? Lily was late for school. Lily was late for school. 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 Mizo trong chuan school hi common noun nghe proper noun ni school pakhat chu om nghe school tam dewa om.
Common noun. Common noun.
Common tam dewa om chu wang chuan school ha. Common noun.
Common noun.
Ni le. Lily was late for school. Lily ka proper noun or common noun?
Proper noun. Proper noun.
Proper noun. Good. Now, next, all right. Stephen.
Proper noun.
Proper noun. Played with his brother. Stephen tu unaw pa niya nanin fiam. Stephen played with his brother. Brother tu proper noun nghe common noun brother.
Common noun. Common noun.
Unaw pa. Common noun. Very good. Infant tiap MVR. Lo zip ko common tu le. All right. Now, Elsa was reading a book. Elsa itu ane kabu aciar. Elsa was reading a book. BOOK book. Is common noun or proper noun? Kabu.
Common noun.
Proper
noun.
Noun. Common noun. No book is common noun. Elsa. Is it proper noun or common noun?
Proper noun.
Good. Now, all right. Now, another one, all right. Anna, inside una to Anna has a new dress. Dress to begin for dress. Dress is it proper noun or common noun?
Common noun.
Very good. Noun. And Anna has a new dress. Proper noun or common noun? Anna. Elsa unang to Anna niya. Anna to proper noun. And
Proper noun.
name. Proper noun. Very good. Now. Again, Simon. Simon na two. Simon has a new car. Simon na two motor turning car. Car to proper noun. noun เลย
Common noun.
Very good. Common
Common
noun.
noun.
Car is a common noun. Simon. Simon akan motor tharane. Simon ju sopa mingson tani. Simon, is it proper noun or common noun?
Proper
Proper
noun.
noun.
Simon. Proper noun. Very good. Simon na mingan niya ju wang chuan. Proper noun nani. Next, all right. My dog. My dog is called. My dog is called Alex. And ping to Alex. Dog. Dog. Proper noun or common noun?
Common noun.
Common noun. Very good. Common noun. My dog is called Alex, is it a proper noun or common noun? Right. Proper noun. Moi is my aunt. A-U-N-T. Aunt to nutei Nanya or Nutei. Moi is name. Moi to India. Moi to proper noun, common noun. Moi proper noun. And is it proper noun or common noun? Common noun. Now, right. What is this? Pen. Is it proper noun or noun? Is it noun or They are common noun. Boy. Boy, boy, so right. So that's makan kan chuang ni lâu ngày tua tay lại. But I pick out one. Kat Kapa so that boy's name is Jason. Jason class. Jason to proper noun niya. Boy to common noun. Right. Now, from your textbook, learn Going to school. He was going to school. Right. Lily was going to school. Lily proper noun, common noun.
Miss. Trong cái sẽ thấy là
Lily was school. Lily to proper noun, common noun. Lily was going to school. And school is a common noun.
Ba
Name of giraffe, common noun. Giraffe is a and Smiley, proper noun. Terus Kajiro, Smiley, proper noun. Giraffe, giraffe, common noun. Right. Notes the all right. Now, grammar, it is very difficult to teach online. All right. So I'm going to revise again. Proper noun. For example, we very proper noun like Kim Jong, for example, brother, sister, man, boy, girl, boy, we will revise again once we are able to take normal task.
trong sạch thật
Nuôi con dấu Nuôi con dấu
좀 컴플레인을 치면도 내가 재밌고 부탁스러워. 컴플레인 때려오지. Nu không lo. Anh nhìn em thấy gì tụi em?